In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to screenshot any part of your PC, any part of your screen if you want to screenshot it and save it as JPEG or PNG. So to do that, for instance, let's say you have something like this on your screen and you want to screenshot just part of it, not all. So to do that, come to search and search for snipping tool. Snipping tool, this is it. This tool is what you use. It's an inbuilt app with system. So once you click on it, you will see it will bring the tools like this. Then click on new. Then it will turn to cross. Come to the part you want to screenshot. Then click and drag. For instance, let's say you are interested only in this part. Click and drag to that extent, then drop it. It will screenshot it. Now, two ways. You can right click and copy. Then go to, for example, let's say Microsoft Word. Then right click and paste. You can see this is what we screenshot, and you can see it's very clear. Alternatively, you can go back to that screenshot you did. Instead of right clicking and copy, you can come to this icon which is save, or you can right click and you see save as. If you click on save as, then navigate to where you want to save it. Let's save it on our desktop and call it screenshots. Then here you choose your format, either as PNG or JPEG. So let's go with PNG. Click on save. So it's saved. If you go to our desktop now, this is it, screenshot. Let's open to see it. So you can see. So in essence, this is how to screenshot any part of your system. Thank you for watching.